This is the very first video of Project for Another Day. For today's project, we are going to install an actuator for the truck tailgate to lock and unlock it every time we press the lock and unlock button. So, without further ado, let's get started. What we're gonna do is take the tailgate cover off and the plate off. Yank on this, it's just a bunch of clips under here and they should just come right off. And let's hope I didn't break it. The actuator here on the inside like this, and then put the rod and connect it to, I'm thinking, this little plastic piece for locking it part here. I'm gonna connect it to here, and then we're gonna wire it through to the locks inside the car. So we're just gonna start drilling. So it's gonna shoot like this, in, like that. So it's gonna shoot like that. I don't know if you can see it there. The actuator's in, it's in pretty. What I'm doing is I'm feeding it through this hole here first, and then taking this and going to the vehicle side up there, and through here again, making sure I have enough slack. So I just want to have a little bit of slack like this, and I could always adjust it according to however I want. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm just gonna attach this wire to this loom here, and then I'm gonna loom it and everything, but I don't have any loom today. I would just run the wires through and get the loom tomorrow, and then we'll continue on tomorrow. But I'm gonna route it through, make sure it works, and then tomorrow we can just loom it in and do the finishing touches. So keep watching. So I got everything done. I got all the wiring done. It went through the truck, through the bottom, through everything. What I did was I dragged it through. There's a little grommet. Close these. So a little grommet under the seat here. Drag it through the grommet, brought it up here. I put it in the back here, into this harness here. Paint red is obviously for positive, paint green is for negative. So I put these two together, clipped it in, and I'm still in the testing phase. But red is, for mine, red is blue, and well, positive is blue and negative is ground. When I lock and unlock it, they both work, which is awesome. Look, this is lock. Okay, that's lock, and that is unlock. So it works awesome. It's lock it, gotta unlock it,